What is up, guys? So as promised, we are gonna go do this ride along video right now. We're just leaving my house right here in LA, and I want to show you guys how close to this house I am. So let's check this out. So this is my daily. I take this to work because I do a lot of driving. But here is a beast. Let's go do this. Let's go. Alright, so let's see how long it takes. This is 2 or 3. I say I live literally 5 minutes away, but depending on what traffic lights we get. Toretto's house, but we know where the Toretto's market is as well, which is called Bob's Market. But this is it right here, guys. We're literally around the corner from the spot. I'm gonna go ahead and make a right here, and let's check out Bob's Market, aka Toretto's store, which is right here on the right side. You guys see it? All right, let's go right in front of it. Right there. Go through there. There you go. AKA Toretto's store. That's Bob's Market. But bring it back this way. We're gonna loop around here. And let's hope there's not a lot of people. It seems like there's somebody there. Let's hope there's not a lot of people taking pictures on this house. But we are here, guys. I told you guys that we were super close to this place. Check this out. Right there. There's people here taking pictures. Super iconic house. I usually never drive by here, but it literally took us, check out the clock, 2:07. We left at 2:03. That's how close we are to this house. And we love to see people just taking pictures with it. I'm actually gonna back up my car onto this driveway and we'll snap a couple pictures. So there you have it, guys. I am right in front of Toretto's house with my car. First time I bring my car here. Super, super excited. As promised, I did what I said I was gonna do, because that's what I do. So there's a lot of people over here taking pictures. There's that Mustang, but the Subi gets to be in the driveway because race car. We're over here at the market that Toretto owned. It's right behind me. People taking pictures. There's the Subi. I'm literally in the middle of the street, guys. Check it out. The middle of the street. Not giving one. Anyways, I'm gonna take a couple pictures and we'll call it a day. Catch you guys later.